You know it, and I know it. The hardest part of the mix is the end phase. That's where you're like at about 90% of the way there, and it's all too easy to just cut out early, declare the mix as being finished, and just bounce it out. But before you do that, you really need to check your mix in different ways, just to make sure that it still sounds good when your customers or your friends or your bandmates listen to it. Those guys probably won't be in your studio listening to your amazing monitors. They'll be out there listening to the song on a hi-fi setup or on a smartphone or on tiny little in-ear headphones. So the normal way to check your mix is do exactly the same thing, and that is listen to the song on all these different sources and make some notes on how to make your mix better afterwards. With the Realphones Easy Edition, you can do all these steps without even leaving your studio, without even taking off your extra tens. Example, here you go. The Realphones Easy Edition simulates the sound of a portable device like a smartphone. By taking this step, you can listen closely to the mid-range of your mix. The sound of portable speakers focuses mainly on the mid-range, but you can't hear lots of bottoms or tops. It's helpful to listen to your mix in this way because it can expose problems you might have in the mid-range. This setting sounds as if you're listening to your mix through tiny earbuds. Often the top end of these devices is somewhat dull. So now you can check how clear your mix is without this upper frequency range. Now you can focus on the clarity of your vocals, on the punch of your snare or the kick drum. The next door setting will make you lose any sense of the stereo image, which is helpful to know if your EQ settings are really holding up. And you always seem to get a good impression of your lead vocal level. Do the vocals sound too loud or too soft from the door? If so, you know you'll have to work on that again. So now, with the Realphones Easy Edition, you don't need these. Or these. And you don't even have to leave your room. It's all in your ears. And apart from that, you can make your easy extra tens sound like you're sitting in the studio, no matter where you are. Get more information and get your Realphones Easy Edition now for free via the link below.